What's okay? Hi, we're performing a visual inspection of behind the ear hearing aid. We're gonna check this, just brush it off, make sure it's clean. We're checking if there's debris or wax, so we're just gonna like clean this out over here. Use this to clean this out. We're gonna see if there's any moisture in here, so we're gonna use this. And it's not, it looks pretty clean. It's a little bit yellow, but it looks pretty clean otherwise. Okay, now when we hook it on, we want to just make sure that it is fastened securely fastened. And okay, now we're gonna do the battery check. So we're just gonna wipe this off. And before we do that, we're just going to take the battery out to actually check if the battery is working. And we're going to put it in the correct box, correct hole over here. And then we press this and it shows good, so we know that the battery is working. And now we're going to put it back in here. And close this. We're going to, again, we're going to wipe this, and we're going to check for the 6 link sound. We're going to connect it over here. I'm going to make sure that it's on. Yes, I hear myself very loudly. And I'm going to say the 6 link sounds. Oo, ah, ee, s, sh, mm. Okay, I hear all of them. Now we want to just make sure as the volume control gets louder that we hear things. There is some feedback here, but I hear everything good. As the volume gets louder, I hear it louder. And then we're going to take it off and just check the feedback when it is cupped in my ear, cupped in my hand. And I hear it. Okay. Okay. We're doing in the ear visual inspection, visual inspection of the in the ear hearing aid. So we're just gonna clean it off, make sure you know it's clean. Check for any wax. Clean it out for any wax, and you know any breaks or cracks we want to check for. And it looks like everything is pretty good. The color looks good. Okay, now we're gonna check the battery, and we're gonna take it out and put it in the correct one, and it's working because you see that it went to the green side. Okay, now we put it back in, and we just a little bit hard to maneuver with this. Okay, and we're going to, we did this before, but we do it again. Okay, and we're going to check with the 6 ling sounds. We're going to connect this on. It's on. We're going to connect it. And we're going to check oo, ah, ee, s, sh, mm. I hear it. The signal is clear. There's no distortion, static, or hum. Now, we are going to put it in my hand, cup, and I see that there's a feedback, so we know that the battery is working. We also want to check the volume control, so I'm going to put it back on and put it back in, and just as the hearing gets higher, does it get higher and lower? And it does, so it looks like it's working. Okay.